Welcome back to my YouTube channel, and thanks for giving me a like and your subscription. If you have not subscribed to my channel, kindly subscribe to it and encourage your friends to do the same. Thanks again. Now, my topic today is about affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing? And the beauties of being part of an affiliate marketing program. Now, affiliate marketing is basically a system where you promote a product for a company. So say, for example, Walmart, Amazon Associates have a product. So what you do, you go up and you sign for a affiliating link specifically for you. You get this link and you promote the product to that link. Each time someone clicks on your link and buy a product through your link, Amazon Associate gives you a commission. That's great for me. Now that gives you freedom to move about. Only thing you have to do is either pay for the promotion or have free promotion, and it goes back to you. If you have a Facebook account, Twitter account, Instagram account, you can promote your products through the link or through these website platform rather. So think about the products that you'd like to promote, which goes back to the company. So in the internet, you have over 1,000 products or 1,000 affiliating companies. So you have to go and choose. Think about the company that you'd like to promote and the products that they have. Think about their requirements to be a part of that affiliating products, and also the procedures that they have in paying you. Try to be a part of a product platform that gives you your commission on a daily or weekly and up to a monthly period of time. So these are the beauties of being a part of an affiliating program. It allows you to be freedom. You have to have freedom. It allows you to, do well, to move about accordingly, and not to be stick down to any 9-to-5 program, which I mentally, socially, and emotionally hate. And I'm recommending this form of income from myself, from my heart to you. So take the initiative, look up affiliating programs that are on the internet, subscribe to it, get that unique link from that company, and start propagating or promoting these products through your link. Now, it goes back to you. How do you like to promote? If you have an Instagram account, be sure to put the link and pictures on your Instagram account in your bio section. Or if you have a Facebook account, you can put pictures of the products and encourage people to click the link in order for them to buy the product through your link. And ultimately, you'll be getting a commission from the company. If you have over, say, 20 or 30 affiliating links on your website or through Facebook, you'll be making dollars, man. And you have to be optimistic that people are going to buy, and over enthusiastic about what is to come. And be sure that you will be successful. Having faith in the creator and working hard, you will make it in affiliated marketing. So this video was to give you an insider, give you value, benefit of affiliated marketing, and be sure to put your feedback in the description menu below, and companies that you recommend, companies that you do not recommend, and why. And also I'll put companies that I recommend in the description below, so it becomes an interactive platform, interaction of giving values to each other, because that's my hope. I want to give you value and you give me value, so we are we're beneficial to each other. Thanks for staying. Thanks for listening to my point of affiliating marketing and the beauties of being a part of an affiliate marketing program. And do not forget, click subscribe, click the bell so you can be, up to date with my latest videos, and give me your feedback. Thanks for tuning in. Take care. Bye.